Hello, 11 organic herbs they don't want you to know. Boost chicken weight fast before festive market. Are you interested in selling your chicken in Easter Sunday or Saturday before Easter? Do you want your chicken to get the maximum weight you desire before the selling date? Are you among the farmers that are losing interest in their chicken because they are unable to give them the maximum weight they desire? This particular video is for you. Perhaps your chicken is less than 3 kg as of this moment and they are up to 6 weeks or more. This particular video is for you. You want your chicken to get the maximum height and weight the next 1 week or less than 1 week time now, or 3 to 5 days. Use this particular herbs, these extras I'm going to give you in this particular video. If you can get all of them together, make sure you use all of them within these 3 to 4 days. You are going to achieve a maximum result. And make sure you have enough feed and water to give them. 11 secret organic herbs they don't want you to know. Boost chicken weight fast before festive market. Are you a poultry farmer? Are your chickens falling behind target weight just weeks to the festive market? You are not alone in this particular issue. Many poultry farmers struggle with underperforming broilers or underperforming broilers, especially when time is short. In this video, we will discover 11 powerful organic herbs and natural ingredients that improve appetite, enhance digestion, and accelerate weight gain within a short period of time, safely and naturally. These herbs are not only packed with nutritional and medicinal value, but also work synergically to help your birds hit their desired market weight on time without relying solely on commercial growth boosters. Stay tuned with me in this particular video. I will review the secrets the commercial feed industry doesn't want you to know that can boost your chicken weight within a short period of time. Relax. Make sure you watch this video to the end. And for this topic, give it a thumb up right now. And at the end of this video, make sure you watch it to the end. Don't skip any track because it's going to be continuous. And any track you skip may be where the main target is. Watch it to the end. Please share this video to reach more farmers. And if you have anything that bother you within the process of watching this video, drop it in the comment section so that we'll get together and trash it out. Please. If you have any question regarding this topic, drop it in the comment section also. I'm going to give you their names and you also watch their videos. See how you can recognize them. Most of them are within your household. And if you don't have them in your environment, don't bother less because you don't use, it's not compulsory. You must make sure of all of them. No. You can make use of few of them alone, within the ones within your own area. Some are not in your region. Yes, I know. But many are there. Some are even some weed you weed off from your farm. One is parsley. Parsley is spelled P-A-R-S-E-L-Y. Parsley is rich in vitamin C, vitamin A, and vitamin K. It enhances appetite, supports liver function, and aid digestion in poultry. Remember, when the poultry birds are easily digesting their feed at a very fast rate, it means that they will consume more. And once they consume more and digest it fast, it means they will assimilate it and at the same time give maximum meat. That's what this particular thing. The next one is fennel seed. Fennel seed has been treated in one of the videos, but it is among the seed that will boost your chicken within a short period of time. Fennel seed boosts metabolism and act as natural stimulant for faster food consumption and growth. The next one is fennel seed. It is known for its improving feed efficiency and increasing weight gain through better nutrient absorption. Number 4 among them is cumin seed. Cumin is spelled C-U-M-I-N. Seed. S-E-E-D-X. Seeds. It aids digestion and is packed with iron and essential oil that promote overall health and appetite. Any particular organic product that have iron in it is superb because iron helps in building of hemoglobin, which is the blood cells in poultry and livestock animals. The next one is lemon balm. Lemon balm is a calming herb that reduces stress in birds, leading to improved feed intake and weight gain. You can see that I selected most of all these herbs based on their functionalities. This particular one calms their stress level because during the heat period, this is the hot season. We are in the hot season right now, and you want to achieve that weight within a short period of time. That means they are going to eat both night and day, both hot and cold time. So this lemon balm is going to calm them down during the hot period, so they will be able to eat in the afternoon time. No matter the tense of the sun, they are going to eat, and as they're eating, they're also converting the feed at the same time also. The next one is chamomile. Chamomile is spelled as chamomile. This one suits the digestive system and boosts immunity, especially under stressful weather or confinement. No matter where you place them, this particular one is going to calm them and is going to help them to eat well. The next one is star anise. It acts as a natural antimicrobial and appetite stimulant, also help in respiratory issues. Most of the times, due to respiratory issues, your poultry birds may not eat because instead of them to breathe from their nostril, they will be opening their mouth to breathe. And when they open their mouth, the mouth is supposed to feed them. They will not open it. But this particular star anise is going to help to calm their respiratory issues, and they will be able to eat from their mouth while they breathe from their nose. The next one is orange peas. When I released the video on orange peas, many people started arguing with me. I didn't say you should feed them with that orange peel alone. You are going to mix it with the feed you are feeding them also. Don't worry, at the end of this particular video, I'm going to guide you on the dosage and how you are going to make use of them for effective functionality. Orange peas, very rich in vitamin C and antioxidant. It supports immunity and promotes healthy digestion. Once the feed is digesting faster, it means they are going to eat more, and as they're eating more, they're converting it. As they're converting it, they are getting bigger and fatter. Grapefruit leaves, the leaves, I think I've treated this in one of my videos earlier last year, please. It is powerful detoxifier and appetite enhancer, support liver health and digestive issues. Another one is banana peas. Banana peel is very high in potassium and fiber. They promote healthy gut movement and weight stability. Very important. The next one is parsley. Parsley is another one. Reiterating its role in appetite stimulation and digestive health of your poultry bird. It also helps in gaining weight for poultry and livestock animals. How do you make use of all these plants and this organic extract? Please, if you gather them 200 gram, each of them 200 gram, and combine all these plants together because they are working, they have the same chemical composition, so they work together. They don't have any adverse effects on the poultry. If you have all of them together, you can gather them together and use them to formulate your own stimulation organic extract. How do you do that? Please don't sun dry. Gather fresh one, blend them together. If you have a blender, after washing them, put them in a blender and blend them thoroughly. If you don't have blender, use grinding machine, this kitchen grinding machine. Grind them properly. After grinding, add 1 liter of water, soak it for 24 hours. After 24 hours, squeeze out the water and keep. That water is what will be diluted to feed your poultry birds, depending on the number of birds you have. If you have large stock, maybe up to 500 birds, 1,000 birds, please gather large quantity of it, up to 1 kg of all of them, or 200 grams of each of them. Gather them, wash them, blend them properly, add 1 liter of water, squeeze out the juice, and add extra water depending on the drinking level of your poultry birds. Serve it to your poultry birds consecutively. Please don't give them ordinary water again throughout this period until you sell them off. And make sure you feed your feeders with food and give this water. Make sure this water is steadily with them. They are going to eat extra food and they are going to give maximum weight within this short period of time. But if you don't have the money or you can't see them, our Eco Bio Booster, organic Eco Bio Booster, which is a probiotic, is always available with us. You can use it to boost your broiler within short period of time. Also, this is Eco Bio Booster. This is 5 liters and it is a game changer in your poultry. Can give you maximum weight within short period of time. Most especially this time that you want to sell your chicken, they are not giving you the maximum weight you need. Make sure you have this in your water. Please, if you want to get the best result, you should use it from day one till the end of the operation, not when you have few days to the market. You want it to do magic. It doesn't do magic like that. The best way to use it is from beginning till the end. This is Eco Bio Booster. We can send it to any location, no matter your state, no matter your country. We can post it through these transport bus drivers. They can send it to you, no matter your region. You pay for the way bill, pay for the cost of this, and pay for the way bill. Then we send it to you through the bus drivers. It will get to you, and we have been sending it to many states, many countries, different countries of Africa is receiving this. It's a game changer. Please don't miss it in your poultry. If you don't have the money for it, you have money for 1 liter, we can still give you 1 liter. But remember that the cost of sending it to you is very costly because of that 1 liter. But if you have 5 liters of it, you keep it for use till the end of the operation. Thank you for watching this video. If this video interests you and if you are serious about hitting target weight before the festive season, these 11 natural boosters I've mentioned and I've treated here are ticket to success. No side effects, no synthetic chemicals, just pure organic nutrition that gets results. Incorporate these herbs into your poultry feeding routine and watch your birds transform into a very new week. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this particular channel for more natural poultry solutions that save costs and increase profit in your operation. Thank you for watching this video till I come your way with another interesting one loading very soon. Please stay tuned. Don't go far. Till then, bye for now.